When a buyer says, "Can you send over some case studies?" Most reps take it as a buying signal. They send examples, they send proof, they send more information, but sometimes the deal doesn't move forward. It turns into research because the buyer is still gathering confidence, not making a decision. The mistake is treating case studies as the next step. They can help, but only if you know what the buyer is trying to prove. So before you send them, slow the conversation down. You can respond calmly. Of course. Can I ask, what would you want the case study to show you? That question keeps the conversation useful because now you understand what matters: results, risk, industry fit, implementation, or whether people like them have solved the same problem. You can then ask, and if you saw that, what would it help you decide? Now, the case study has a role. It supports the decision. It doesn't replace the conversation because proof is useful. But proof without direction just creates more research. Structure turns it back into a decision. If you want to see how this fits into a full sales conversation, start with the core framework playlist.